Alright guys, so this is time for another burger video. You guys love these burger videos. These are international burgers. I had done the Italian one a while back. I did the Mexican one, the Maximum Mexican burger, and then the incredible Italian burger. Well, today is the awesome Asian burger. We're going to try and put as much Asian flavor into the burger. We got the, well, I'll show you in a minute what we got, but we got as many Asian flavors as we could think of. Plus, it's going to have a lot of flavor mixed together. So you guys ready? Come on in close and I'll show you everything. Okay, first thing I want to talk about in the ingredients is the Kobe beef. I don't believe you can get true Japanese Kobe. I think that's more of an American version. There's a whole discussion about Kobe beef going on, but I saw it at the store, so I grabbed it. There's your Kobe beef and your eggs. And then right here you got some hoisin sauce, teriyaki sauce, sriracha, ketchup, mayo. And then we also have some Asian slaw. Then we have these beautiful, beautiful brioche buns we're going to be using. Put that right there for now. And then we got garlic, onion. Then we got panko breadcrumbs, which is more of a binding agent. We're going to mix that in with the burger meat. And then we have water chestnuts. If you've ever had water chestnuts, they really have no flavor. It's like tofu. But you have it in stir fry, you have it in a lot of Asian dishes. So we're going to do something to the water chestnuts that will give it more flavor. Alright, you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay guys, start with your meat in the bowl. We're using all the Kobe beef we bought because we are using this for dinner tonight. And first thing you want to do is I have the panko breadcrumbs. Put those in here. There you go. Keep it to the side because you may need more. I doubt it, but just leave it on the side in case you do. Okay, then we're gonna take our 2 eggs, put it in here. Alright, then take your teriyaki sauce, pour a little bit on top for flavoring. Put your garlic in here. Get your onion in here. Okay, as you're mixing this, you're going to want it to be kind of like wet sand, a little tacky. Okay, you want it to be mixed really well. So take your time. Get the breadcrumbs mixed in there, get the yolk mixed in there, get all your flavors meshed together, okay? This is the fun. Kids love doing this. So if you want to let one of your kids do it, just put a food glove on, so they don't get it up their nails or anything. And get that going. Now if it's too wet, you want more breadcrumbs. If it's too dry, you want more teriyaki sauce. Alright guys, you want to kind of fill the palm of your hand with some meat. That's basically the amount you're going to need to make your patty. And I want you to make patties out of... I didn't make big enough patties when I did the Italian burgers, so I'm using a little extra in this video. So you want some nice hefty patties. So if you got to grab a little bit more, grab a little bit more. But you basically want to be able to hold it all in one hand. You don't have to worry about it. Alright, we have these 10 massive patties. They've got the teriyaki sauce in them, and the garlic, and the onion salt, and the panko breadcrumbs. One tip, you guys hate when your burgers fall apart on the pan. One tip is to take these, we're going to take it right now, pop them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. While they're in the refrigerator, we'll start doing the condiments. You guys ready? Okay guys, now we're making the condiments for our burgers. While our burgers are solidifying, put a few heaping tablespoons in here. We're going to be making sriracha mayo. Leave that like that. Then you want to place your sriracha on the mayo. If you put too much sriracha, just add more mayo to calm it down. Give it a good mix. Alright, so the sriracha mayo is done. Move that to the side. Bring the other bowl in, and then we're going to... Don't forget to shake up your ketchup. A lot of times ketchup separates or water comes out of it. just like mustard, and then the first squeeze is all water. So if you shake it up first, puts the water back into the ketchup or the mustard, whatever it is. Okay? Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to shoot it across the kitchen there. Get your ketchup in the bowl. Add your hoisin sauce. If you don't know what hoisin sauce is, taste it before you use it. It's kind of a sweet Asian sauce, okay? A lot of people use it in pho. A lot of people use it with red rooster in pho. It's really delicious. And then give that a mix. The last thing we got to do is prepare the water chestnuts. So pop these bowls in the refrigerator also, so they kind of stay together, they don't get watery in the heat. All right, get a pan ready and get on the stove with a little bit of oil in your pan. You guys remember my little oil test? Yep, you just throw a piece in there. When it starts to sizzle, you know everything's ready. As you can see, it's starting to bubble, so we are exactly where we need it to be. Next thing you want to do is put all your water chestnuts in here. The water chestnuts in the oil. Put a little garlic in there. A little onion powder. Okay guys, we're going to make our sesame Asian slaw, and this is going to be the lettuce on the burger, okay? And you're going to use what they gave you. So you're first going to take the slaw mix and drop in a bowl. And then we got this kind of a sweet Asian dressing that's going to go on the lettuce. So we're going to mix that in so it'll stick to the burger. So we're going to drop that in right now. And that should do it. And give it a good mix. That dressing is going to coat the lettuce. It's not going to drench it. It's not going to overtake the flavors of the burger or the condiments, but it's just going to allow it to have a little moisture in it. So we're going to mix it up really good. Okay, these burgers are ready. They're nice and cold. They're solid. They're not going to fall apart when we start cooking them. They'll cook first. They're just going to, it's just a trick, okay? They always taught me to refrigerate my patties so they stay in one piece. So cook these like you normally do on the stove, in a frying pan, whatever, and bring them back here and we'll put all the pieces together. But in the meantime, I just wanted to tell you that if it's not going fast enough in the refrigerator, you can throw these in the freezer too if you need to. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna take the ketchup and the hoisin sauce and mix that. And this, by the way, is an amazing mixture. Totally blown away. Okay. And we're gonna take the sriracha mayo, put it on this side. There we go. Then we're going to take a little of the salad mix. Just drop it all on the bun. Press gently. Make sure your hands are clean. Press this this slaw, this Asian slaw, down so it sticks to the mayo. All right. Some of it's going to drop off. Just bring it back up and give it a gentle press. Okay. Beautiful. And then grab your patty and bring it in. Right there. And by the way, I've tasted the meat. The meat's amazing. The meat is to die for already. Oh, let's put that right over there. Stop jumping. There we go. And then we're going to take our chestnuts. They're toasted. Tammy tried one of these chestnuts. We put garlic and onion on it and then sauteed it. And she said it tastes like onions. So we did that. Now, we couldn't find a cheese from Asia, so we left the cheese off. But feel free to throw cheese on this burger. I cannot tell you how amazing that teriyaki burger tastes. The meat alone is just amazing. All right, let's see if it'll fold over. Here we go. Oh, there we go. That is absolutely beautiful. Look inside. The meat is cooked perfect. The meat's so tender and so moist and so teriyaki flavored by that teriyaki sauce we put in the meat. Okay? We did 3 minutes on each side. We had like, what was it? Would you say it's an inch burger? 3 minutes on each side. If it's a little bit thinner, lower the time you cook it. All right? Now let's give it a try, see how it is. From the looks of it, this burger looks very simple, but there are so many flavors with the ketchup hoisin, the sriracha mayo, the dressing from the slaw that's on the burger. Just so many flavors going on. So let's give this a try. Look how big that patty is. It smells amazing. You can smell all the Asian flavors. Better than I thought. Trust me, do exactly what I did in this video, and you will be thanking me. I promise. There is the awesome Asian burger right there, and don't forget that Asian slaw with the dressing. Oh, it's so good. All right, guys. So we got more coming. I just learned how to make a Krabby Patty. You guys know what a Krabby Patty is, right? We're going to be doing that next on one of our future burger videos coming up. You be ready for that, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.